everyone. I'm Arturo Montiel, and this is the T1. This is the T4 project. Okay, so here we have the first website, the first HTML, that is tbkomatsu.html, which is here. Now, what I'm gonna do here is like I'm gonna present you guys like at least one of the trouble that I had, that it was like in here. The first time I did it, like I put spaces in these parts like this, but then I realized like it was not how it's supposed to be done. So I put just this in here, guys, so like you don't commit like those mistakes. And here I made like this comment about it actually. So if you guys wanna go through it, it's the same thing. Well, here's basically some some links that are gonna take us to the pictures of like the people that is in here. Like those links that are here, I are like down here. Okay. Now here we have the other HTML assignment, which is here. Okay, this is not nothing that crazy. He just asks us to like to link these things so we can edit it and we can give like some sort of style to this. But let me start with this part. This one is the visual one, that is the one that affects Komatsu. Here, like some idea that I had like for the background. For example, whenever you come here, like there's this background with an image that I believe it's really nice. Here, guys, you're able to see it. This other thing that I did, like I did at the very first time I didn't know how to do it, but like then I realized that everything just had to be in a single line. Just saying this so you guys don't like make that same mistake. But like these backgrounds, like all these little things that we have here, these kind of shadows, I think they're like really nice, and this is what these do. Okay. Then we then we have here like the the aside, and how like the radial gradient, that means like it starts like from the middle and it goes like it starts in white and start like going out with two like these other two colors. And then we have like this footer that is like a linear gradient too, that means like we're like that way. Then it starts like in the lighter one and goes to like this other one. Then we have the T2 like visual, that is the one that affects this one. In here, like I realized a lot of interesting things that, for example, you can rotate pictures in the websites. For me, that's kind of interesting. I didn't thought that was possible because it's literally just like Word. Like you rotate, you transform, and you rotate through the axis. So if you know how to rotate in Word, it's basically the same thing, just like with some more steps through it. And then we have another thing that is really related with Word, that is filters in here. How, you see how like all these are like in like different type of filters. Well, these are the things that are gonna change these filters, and these filters work the same way as in Word. If you understand like how Word filters work, you will understand how these ones work. So yeah, that you'll be fine. So there's that. I hope this is helpful for who everyone is watching this.